Hi party people. I'm sick of filling this little chick feeder like 2 or 3 times a day. I filled it this morning and it's noon and it's already empty. So we're gonna take this 2-gallon bucket from Tractor Supply and make a bigger feeder ourselves with these little feeder ports here. I'm only gonna use 4 of them on this bucket, but I got a pack of 8 of the feeder ports and 8 of the nipple drinkers, which I used on the other one that you can see in the chick coop. And they both come with the little saw and drill bit that you need to drill the proper holes. So all we're gonna do is take this hole saw here, and we put that little bit on, and then we'll just go twist that on, and then we're good to go. All right, chickens, get out of here. This is it for you. Okay. So let's do the first one here. I'm gonna do 4. I was struggling there with the hole for a little bit, so we're doing another take. This little cap is to prevent critters from going in there. So if you want to close it up at night. So once we get the hole drilled, or cut, whatever you want to say, we're gonna take the gasket, which was kind of hard to get around at first, but I just had to stretch it a little bit. So we'll just do it like so. It's kind of hard because I have this finger bandage on. But I guess you want it to be a snug fit, you know? Okay, so once we got that in the desired position, we're gonna just screw this on like so. And then you want to have this thing pointing up because it's like a little rain protection. So I'm gonna do the other 3 and then we'll fill it with feed and I'll show you guys the end result. All right, it's all done. Look at how perfect. And look at how much food it fits. And then the chickens reach their heads in and go. So it's also less messy. I was filling up that other one so often because they were like, you know, pecking it on the ground and making a mess. So then we just pop on the lid and she's all good to go. Perfect. I have the supplies on my Amazon storefront, so check it out.